Hey guys, just 5 of us here. It's been a while since I've made a video and I wanted to see what all the hype was about for these Fill the Fridge. We haven't opened anything, we haven't done the fridge, but I've seen a lot of people haul them and do them, and I wanted to see what all the hype was about. Alright, let's jump into it. I got the fridge. It's pretty cool. It has a UV light. Let's open it and see what's inside. There she is. There's the fridge. Alright. Let's see what she's got inside. Bags and some shelves on the bottom. And the light already comes on. So it already came with batteries. The instructions, it shows you where to put all the shelves. We'll be building it in just a second. Look, you can fill your fridge with all sorts of things. I want the ice cubes. I think the ice cubes look very cool. I wonder if they're going to come out with more besides the fridge. That'd be awesome. Let's see what's on the back. Oh, it shows us how to make our little UV thing that come with. Okay, let's see what's in our first bag. Oh, we got our first magnet. It's a watermelon. We got the ice scoop and a strawberry vanilla Olipop. We'll put the ice cube in there. And we'll have to get our Olipop in the top of our fridge. We'll see what else we got. This is the little resin kit. Okay. You get your mold. That little piece. Your jelly glue. Okay, and in this little package, your little orange slices, your plate, your tongs. Alright, we're going to set that aside and we will make that at a later time. Alright, let's open this last bag. I'm assuming it'll be the rest of the shelves for the fridge. Yep, it is. Okay, now let's see if we can get our fridge all put together. Okay. Let's see, where does all the shelves go? The egg tray goes on the very, very top. Does it go like that? It goes like this. There we go. Our egg tray. And then we got this guy. He'll go on the bottom. Perfect. Got 2 more regular shelves. We'll put them here. Oh, turn it around. There we go. Next shelf. Alright, now we got 3 shelves that just slide in here. 1, 2, third one. Perfect. Our little fridge is made. Now let's put our Olipop in there. Our Olipop is in the door. Alright, we're going to open one ball with this video because I have a pile of balls just so we can start filling our fridge. I like everything it's come with so far. I see why these sell out so quickly. Okay. So we can get the other tear strip. Let me slide my fridge back. Alright, ready? Let's see what we got. Alright, here's the paper of everything we can get for the fridge. Some Legendary Creations. Some syrup, some ice cream. IHOP, some chicken, some eggs. The bag of ice. Some more drinks. Some ice cream. Mac and cheese, mashed potatoes. Some meat, some deli meat, some bacon, Jell-O. Let's see what's on the other side. These are all the magnets we can get. We got the watermelon so far. More meat, some vegetables, water, milk. Pizza Hut pizza and bread. Some tater tots. Some more dairy products. Over 60 to collect. Alright, let's see. In our 6 bags, it comes with 6 bags. Let's see what we got. First one is the fish. That fish looks so realistic. Okay, we're going to put them in our fridge. Slide them in on the shelf. Alright, next one. Let's see what's in here. We got the ice cream. Cookies and cream. We'll put the ice cream in the freezer. There we go. Okay. See what our next bag has. We got the Hershey strawberry syrup. Put that in our fridge. Okay. Next one. Oh, we got a Pizza Hut box. Let's see which one we got. If I can get it opened. There we go. We got the wings. Alright, let's close that back up and put our first Pizza Hut box in there. Oh, here's our magnet. The hot dog. Put the hot dog magnet on our fridge. We got 2 magnets so far. We got the bottle of water. Beautiful. We'll put that in our fridge. Last bag for this ball. And it is the eggplant. Pretty cool. And put them in our fridge. Alright. I will be making this in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys follow along on this journey because we want to fill up our fridge. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.